Let's have sample problems. So for problem number 1, P is a point on BC of the triangle ABC such that AB is equals to AC is equals to BP. If PA is equals to PC, find the value of the angle ABC. So sabi po sa problem, say we have a triangle first. Kasi the best way to solve basic trigonometry is through drawing it. So let's say we have a triangle. Let's name this angle A, B, and C. Ito pala tip ko. Pag bago kayo sa trigonometry, pag magpapangalan kayo na vertices, either clockwise or counterclockwise, hindi naman yan magmamatter sa triangle pa. Pero kapag 4 vertices na yung polygon mo or yung shape mo, magmamatter na yan. Hindi pwedeng magbumula ka dito, say, sige, mag-drawing tayo. Hindi pwedeng pangalanan mo to na A, dito. Tapos, dito ka mag-B. Hindi pwede, no? Dapat either counterclockwise or clockwise lang yung, tama ba? Clockwise or counterclockwise lang yung naming mo para maayos. So, balik tayo sa problem. Sabi daw, sa segment BC, meron tayong point P. Ito yun. I hope kita. Yung kung saan naka-point yung laser ko. Pangalanan natin yung P. And sabi sa next statement sa problem, yung AB daw ay equal sa AC na equal sa BP. Another statement, if PA, this line, is equals to PC, this line, find the value of the angle ABC, or, in this case, pangalanan natin muna siyang theta. Or, pwede rin tawaging angle B. So, to solve it, let's first look at this first triangle. So, ang mapapansin mo dyan, isa po yung isosceles triangle dahil meron siyang dalawang equal na side. So, kung pinangalanan ko ito na beta, through the principle of sine law, meaning, this angle should also be named beta. Or through the principle na lang ng isosceles triangle. Diba? Next, if we look at this bigger triangle, notice it is also an isosceles triangle. Diba? Kasi BA is equals to AC as per stated on the problem. So, if this is theta, this should also be theta. Right? And if we look at the third triangle, notice it is also an isosceles triangle since as per the problem, PA is also equals to PC. So, if this is theta, this should also be theta. Correct? And let's just name this alpha since wala naman na siyang ibang ka-equal na angle. So, now we have names and drawn this triangle. We have drawn the problem. Let's start calculating the missing or yung hinahanap sa problem. So, kunin ko muna itong alpha plus beta. Pag ba pinag-add ko yan, mag-i-equal siya sa 180. Tama, di ba? Kasi BC is a straight line. Next, if we look at this triangle here, triangle PAC, alam natin na pag pinag-add natin yung angles ng isang triangle, mag-i-equal yan sa 180. Diba? So, theta here plus theta plus alpha, or in short, 2 theta plus alpha is equals to 180. And rearranging it, we have theta is equals to 180 minus 2 theta. Next, we apply the same principle in triangle BAP, wherein we just add angles of this triangle. And rearranging it, we have this equation where beta is equals to 180 minus theta all over 2. Notice we have used these two equations, or rather rearrange it, but we haven't used the first equation that we formed. Notice, yung alpha dito, meron siyang corresponding equivalent dito, as well as the beta. Diba? So, if we try to substitute this into this equation, we'll get this equation. Notice, isa na lang yung unknown dyan. Beta na lang, di ba? Wherein, if we go back to the drawing, yung pala yung missing sa problem. So, algebra pala. Masosolve na natin yung theta dyan. Di ba? Dito sa next line na to, dinivide ko lang to muna sa 2. And then, in this line, yung may theta, pinag-add ko na. And then, yung walang kasama na theta, or rather, yung constant, nilipat ko na siya sa side na to. And ito yung lumabas. Yung nasa numerator pa lang If we divide it by negative 2.5, makukuha na natin yung theta, which is equal to 36 degrees. And that is our answer. So, if you have any questions po pala, please comment it down below and I'll try to answer it. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and feel free to comment down below other mathematical topics that you want me to discuss. So, yun lang. Again, thank you for watching.